So I've got Karl Hudson, the founder at Searcharoo, and today's video is surrounding how to market a new business. So obviously there's lots of different types of businesses. So let's start off with, Karl, how do you market a new local trades business? How would you go about doing that?
So obviously, myself having a background in SEO, straight away I'd be buying almost an exact match domain, basically meaning like a keyword-rich domain around the subject. I would then be building a quite quick local website with basically a lead generation form, and then I would just be hitting up some links. So I've got a very SEO mindset here, so hitting up some links, content, get a GMB up, maybe hit some paid ads to it because it's local, and you've also got the lag of SEO. So I definitely do paid ads. Google AdWords do a great incentive where it's something like £400 spend, get £400 free. So it's essentially giving you, nearly 500 quid on free advertising spend. And then, leveraging that, start testing the marketplace, working out what products are a good fit for the customers, also working out which ones are the most profitable for you, because especially with local businesses, it can be quite hard from the get-go, just almost templating what you see others doing, and then actually you do the same thing and say, oh, that's not worth the money. Working out the profitability and things like this. How would you go about it, Dooley?
So when you're looking to market a new business, I mean, it's fine. I actually don't go down the exact match route to start off with, because obviously if you're going to look to market a business, there's going to be a brand there. So I would start off by doing the brand. And then what I would then do is I would try to build out the big brand with all the services and products of what I do. And then from that after I've started to realize that there's a certain product or service that works really well within the brand, that's when I'd start to do exact match domains or partial match domains and stuff like that. But to start with, I'd want to make certain I've got the address, the telephone number, I'm ticking all the boxes for EEAT signals. So I'm a real business. I want my business number in the footer. I want the telephone number. I want the address. I want all the awards that I might have won as a business. I want to make certain that all my accreditations are put on there. I want to make certain that when someone comes and lands on my website, it ticks all the boxes to go, I can trust this website. I think that's initially a big part. I want to make certain that when I first market my business, the design of the website is very nice, and it's the conversion rate, if someone lands on the website, that they're going to convert and actually do what I want them to do, which is either to inquire for a price, or if it's selling a product, that they're going to go and add that product to the cart and then go and buy it. So I think that they're the first steps for marketing a new business from what I own as being a real business. And then with regards to, if you're looking to, I'd also look, I mean, do you do anything with regards to social media? Do you do any paid ads on Facebook ads or TikTok ads or YouTube ads, Karl? Like what's your, so when you're marketing a new business, is digital awareness that you need to try to get, and brand reputation management and effective frequency. So let's talk about now, away from your SEO hat and ranking it in Google, what about on social media? Is there any platforms that you think work really well? YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those? Like, what's your preferred methods on those?
So usually with most local businesses that I would always build a page on, your Facebook page, your Instagram page, potentially depending on the business, a Pinterest if you've got like the imagery to go with it, a LinkedIn page definitely. But then as a marketing platform, a marketing tool, I would usually leverage Facebook first or Instagram first, primarily because it's probably the easiest to do, especially if you're kind of a solopreneur. You might not have the budget yet to bring in an agency. So you might have to do it yourself. And, Facebook and Instagram are very easy platforms to be able to at least test the waters a little bit. They're very good at being able to target small little areas. So, with it being a local business, for instance, in Manchester or in Newcastle, you can target within, a 20-mile radius of a postcode or a town or a city, which is great. So yeah, I would definitely utilize, and we do use Facebook. Obviously, essentially, what I would also stress is make sure that you set up tracking, and so you can actually track the conversion. So that way, if you are using multiple platforms for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Google Ads, or organic, you'll be able to actually reference which platform is working for you and working out the attribution model.
Yeah.
What
So,
about yourself?
yeah, so something else that I am leveraging at the moment, which seems to be working better than ever, is also Parasite SEO. So when I'm looking to market the business, I want to make certain that not only my website is being marketed and my social platforms are being marketed, I want to make certain that I own the brand cert for my brand name. And I want to make certain that I'm ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for my brand name. So I've got reputation management as well for it. So some kind of platforms that I'm using for that is medium.com to kind of write some articles about what I do. LinkedIn Pulse is working better than it ever has. If anyone
Yeah.
wants to put that into Ahrefs, you'll see that it's got a massive upward spike in traffic. That's working great. And then I also like one or two others that you didn't mention. Like I like doing Pinterest quite a bit. Pinterest ads are quite good. TikTok ads are quite good. And then YouTube. I think video has become absolutely massive. The digital awareness that you can kind of do with video from members of staff that you can kind of promote on, and you can share those videos on TikTok, on Instagram, in Facebook groups, and everywhere else. I think it's huge of what you can do when you're looking to market a new business online.
No, that's awesome. So when you're marketing a new business online, the most important part is to almost do a blanket approach, right? Where that's kind of what we're saying is hit everything as fast as you can, as quick as you can afford it. Just make sure you've got the correct steps in place to track attribution. And yeah, hit all the different methods. Don't be afraid to hop on a camera. I know there's a big fear behind people doing video and kind of connecting that personality to brands, but it's definitely more and more nowadays with the rise of AI becoming a must-do for your business, especially if you want to push it. So yeah, if you think of any other, or speaking to you guys as in the visitors of this video, if you can think of any new ways of marketing that we maybe haven't hit the nail of, feel free to comment below.